Well, Beshram may still have plenty wondering how on earth was such a film allowed, but it's a sentiment perhaps Sajid Khan can understand. Sajid was rather touchy when we met him with the rest of the cast of Hum Shakals on the weekend. But while Saif did his best to cheer the director up, it was finally Ritesh who had everyone laughing out loud.
Director is the one who's kind of always soothing the stars and, you know, like calming them down and stuff like that. Today I couldn't help but notice because I was watching all of you guys closely. Saif was the one who was kind of trying to do that with Sajid and saying
weird,
like, you know,
that's weird how life works because
yeah.
that's all you got because 99.9% is the other way around.
Okay.
It's the other way
well,
around.
today I noticed
it's
this
last
one.
straw
You caught
day.
the 0.1%.
Yeah.
The last straw. I think if I just push him a little more, he'll start screaming and beat me up.
Yeah. But anyway, coming back to you, Sajid, you know, I thought what was very honest what you said earlier. You said that, you know, before you used to be a bit arrogant.
Not bit.
Yeah.
I used to just make statements because I needed to ensure that because of my name being synonymous with a certain amount of nuisance value, because that's how I started my career on TV, by making fun of people. And I think that's what stand-up comedy is about, that somebody else has to be at the end of a receiving joke. People who I targeted, rather I would say targeted, were film industry folks, including myself, including my own sister.
No, but let's be honest. You
Yeah.
did lose the plot slightly in the sense that you became the voice of honesty. Like he'd come home, there'd be, you know, my at the time girlfriend sitting there, and he'd say, "Oh, your new film's releasing, 6 crores first day."
No, I'm sorry, I didn't do that.
And when he'd leave, we'd be
No,
like,
no, no,
"Thanks
no.
for coming."
No. You again.
I mean, why say that, right?
Because she asked me, so what do you feel will be the opening of the film? I
You have to say, "I didn't hear you." Now, what would you say today?
I wish you all the best.
He's learning
And then I'll go outside.
Just talk behind people's backs like normal people.
Ram does like multinational languages with his accent, you know. Just tell Beverly, your dress is very nice in Irish.
In Irish?
Yeah.
He loves putting people on the spot like
Yes.
this.
Yeah, I would
Would
never
you go out for a date with me in Irish? Come on.
please.
How about Cockney? Why do you always make
Okay,
people
Cockney,
Irish?
Cockney is fine.
Hello, love. You want a cup of tea?
Oh, nice. I
Mine's
feel
a
like my
lager.
fair lady.
Do you want to go to a party tonight?
I wouldn't mind.
He's saying it's average.
Let's try yours. But he was a Cockney, okay.
Love, would you like to get a cup of tea?
I love get a cup of tea.
Not that. Not
That's
that.
more pikey. That's
Irish.
more pikey.
Irish.
All right.
Okay, I can do it too.
Yeah, go on.
Hey, bhai, cha pehle.
Hey, now we're getting somewhere.
Cut the earlier parts.
That was brilliant.
Ram, do Irish.
I'd go
Ram's
with
brilliant.
Any day.
Irish. Hey,
Or do
Would you like to ask? Would you like to ask Amir Khan a question about Hum Shakals? Go ahead.
Amir, you came on the sets of Hum Shakals. What happened?
Go on.
That was Amir.
Go.
You were shooting.
Just come on.
I'm very
You were shooting
sorry,
next door.
Amir.
Okay, only two.
Yeah.
We'll do 2 celebrities.
Imitation is the highest form of flattery.
Flattery, yes.
Absolutely.
Amir,
I
what are your
guess into
thoughts
the
on Hum
most trouble.
Shakals?
यार मैंने तेरा पोस्टर देखा.
English.
It was very good.
No, Hindi is fine. It's okay.
क्या एक ही खंबे पे ना 9 लोग लटके हुए हैं. ऊपर से नीचे तक तुम दिखाई दे रहे हो. यार मुझे लगता है ना तुम्हारी पिक्चर की टिकटें ना 3 गुना ज्यादा होनी चाहिए. क्योंकि एक ही पिक्चर में 3 का मजा भी दे रहे हो तुम लोग. मैंने तो धूम में 2 किए थे. तो मेरे से भी आगे निकल गए.
Superb, Ritesh, यार.
It is something कि दुनिया देखेगी, याद करिए.
Amir, she will love.
आप बच के रहना बेटी.
Okay, who else?
Sanjeev Kumar.
Okay, come on.
Sanjeev Kumar.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
This is a new one. Sanjeev Kumar as the love guru advisor to people who have just admitted to their
Isha.
relationships. Yeah.
Love Guru advisor.
Love guru advisor. All the do's and don'ts of a relationship.
And by the way, this is every day on Hum Shakals sets.
Yeah.
I kind of figured.
Yeah.
ईशा, ये बात तो सही है कि फाइनली तुमने एक्सेप्ट कर ही लिया.
But what's the condition?
लेकिन एक ही कंडीशन है.
And suddenly become Shatrughat ji.
लेकिन एक ही कंडीशन है. तुम सिर्फ उसी पे ध्यान दो. तुम सिर्फ उसी पे ध्यान दो. अरे क्या पता कहीं चला जाए.